So I ended up taking more profits on the Ethereum long. It's currently up to 200%, and then I have a trailing stop loss of 100%, so I'm guaranteed 2x on the trade no matter what, which makes it risk free. And a couple of the reasons why I've been shaving profit is because it's relatively overbought. You are in a bearish crossover based on the epic crossover strategy, which means that this price action up here is in a high probability zone of a fake out or a bull trap. You also have regular bearish divergences, so you're seeing higher highs on price and then currently lower highs on the MACD or momentum. And then based on this impulse move, this is where we got into the Ethereum long, right when we got into the golden pocket and started to test liquidity, which gives us a very high probability of getting into the take profit 1 and take profit 2 zone, which is going to be right here smack dab where price currently is testing. And then if you want to stay up to date with all of my trades, you can always join us in the Epic Trading Floor. It's free to sign up, and then there are limited spots available for the All Access Pass and the one-on-one mentorship program. Now, if Ethereum was to start pulling down from this point and look for some sort of support, where I'd be looking for specifically is right about this $3,700 to $3,800 range. This is going to put us right into the golden pockets. And you're going to see this gold line, which is the point of control for volume based on the VRVP or the visible range volume profile. So this would be an ideal loading zone for price to come down and start to accumulate buyers and volume so that we can break into these new highs. The main reason why is that if we are able to retrace down into the epic golden pocket, this can push us up into take profit 3. Take profit 3 is going to be up at about $5,200, and that's going to be a brand new all-time high for Ethereum, which the previous all-time high in 2021 was at about 48.56. So we have not tested 5,000 yet. But if we were able to retrace down, let's say to like 3,600, 3,500, somewhere in that range, we have a very high probability of finally breaking that range. And then from there, I would expect also altcoins to start to go parabolic as well. And at the end of the day, I do think Ethereum can hit 8 to 10K in this altcoin season whenever we really start to take off, especially when ETF staking is turned on, because that's a lot of institutional money and a huge competitive advantage when you're talking about institutions buying Bitcoin versus Ethereum, or even Bitcoin and Ethereum, because the one thing that they can get from Ethereum that they can't get from Bitcoin is staking rewards. So we'll say short to medium term, I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback, but long term, I'm definitely extra bullish on Ethereum and the crypto market as a whole. If you've learned anything in this video, smash that like button, send this video to a friend. Make sure you're following me so you don't miss all the notifications and updates. Really, the best place for all of that is the Epic Trading Floor, but you can also do that here. And I hope all of you have an amazing week.